Alrighty, well, right here is my shitbox BMW, and it's got a blown transmission, because, yeah, last drift event of the year, and second gear, you know, clutch kick, and kaboom. To get you guys up to speed, I got this car like 3 years ago. I was 18 when I bought it, I'm 21 now. But I bought this car to drift. When I got it, it was pretty much bone stock. I've done like all the basic drift mods for the most part. So far I got BC coilovers. I completely redid the rear end. I got condors, speed shop bushings all the way through it, adjustable camber arms. When I bought the car, it had welded in subframe reinforcements. I did the trailing arm pockets. I redid the interior. When I got it, it was pretty much bone stock. I gutted it and then I didn't like it, so I put carpet back in. Got Corbo bucket seats, the harnesses, you can see that, they're bright purple. Harness bar, quick release wheel. My girlfriend, she hooked it up with those floor mats. Shout out to her.
You're welcome.
Fire. And then last winter, I pulled the engine out, completely refreshed it. I have a Mishimoto rad. I kind of fucked it up a little bit. It's kind of dented and yeah, but we don't have to talk about that. I repainted the bay. Right now I just did it with a rattle can, but I want to actually get it professionally painted. I shaved it, I welded in all the holes that were there. There's a couple here, a couple there, a couple more over here. Yeah, that's about all I've done to it so far. And I have an M bumper, which is in the back of the car right now, and I have the roof wing over there from HM Sports. And yeah, it's pretty stock still. I don't really have any parts right now because I gotta get some money together and car parts are not cheap. So soon I'll be ordering parts. I actually did get a hydro for that. I'm waiting for it to come in the mail. But in the meantime, I picked up this strut bar from a homie, and I kind of need one for my car, so I figured I might as well put it on. It's not too hard, yeah. Alright, so all you gotta do, take off these two bolts here. They're both 12 mils. Yeah, I got the bolts off, and now all you gotta do is take this thing right here, put that on like that, boom, and just put the bolts back on. I might try to find some washers. I don't know, whoever put this on, they tightened the living shit out of it and got the metal all screwed up looking, and probably be good to put a washer. So I'm gonna look around the shop, see if I can find one, and yeah, finish this up. Yeah, that's it. Came out pretty good. I mean, it's kind of hard to mess that up, but yeah, looks cool though. The black and the white looks good. And yeah, should stiffen up the car a little bit more. So I'm just gonna let the car sit until March when drifting starts up again. But I got a bunch of plans for it, and my thought is I'm gonna try to film everything that I do to it. I don't know how well it'll come out, but I'm gonna give it a good attempt. And I got a bunch of other projects around the shop. Giving that to a homie. Got that car, the LS1RX7 Tribute build, which That's on the Happy Robots channel. But yeah, this car is a massive project, but it's going to a good cause. It's being built in honor of my friend who passed on. So we gotta do something to honor him. And yeah, we're putting an LS in it. We've been working on it for a while. It's got a Nissan 350Z trans, collars adapter for the trans to the engine. And yeah, so that's that project. I got another car outside, but it's dark out. It's another E36. I gotta put an engine in that. I started off a channel, it was called ACK Productions, and I put a lot of like stance car videos and skiing and whatnot, but I want to start posting about this more. I don't really make videos like this a lot, so bear with me if it's kind of weird and awkward, but you know, what are you gonna do?